Leak Edward Snowden December 20th, XRP will hit $1,000. Over the past few months, XRP has significantly strengthened its position in the market. Despite the price drop, which was caused by the fall of the entire cryptocurrency market, XRP was able to cope with this and will regain its position in the near future. Apple's high-profile lawsuit against the SEC is also still ongoing, which also puts a spoke in the wheels. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Edward Snowden is one of the most important whistleblowers of the 21st century. More recently, he began to be interested in cryptocurrencies, which caused a considerable stir around his person. Many people believe that this person knows a lot more about the secret manipulation of cryptocurrencies in modern countries. More recently, in his interview, Edward Snowden stated that XRP has every chance to soar to $100. He also spoke a lot about various other cryptocurrencies, just like Bitcoin exposed the US government, which used Bitcoin to spy on its citizens. Thereby he wants to trust, and let's hope that he is right about XRP. A former employee of the National Security Agency, Edward Snowden, explained that the integration of XRP into the Ethereum network will have a positive impact on both network users and the development of decentralized applications. Agreeing with Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin, Snowden suggested that the future of secure trading lies behind zero-disclosure evidence. He added, XRP's privacy protection technology makes this currency the most interesting alternative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is good, but it does not guarantee anonymity, and therefore it is not safe. Snowden responded to critical reviews about the trusted setup system used in XRP, according to which 6 people had to take part in the installation procedure. One of them, by the way, was Peter Todd, the developer of Bitcoin Core. Each of the 6 participants had to delete their part of the XRP secret cryptographic key, otherwise the network could not be activated. The procedure is arranged in such a way that the chances of compromising each of its participants, which is the only opportunity to harm the system, tends to 0. At the same time, the emergence of a hidden flaw in modern cryptography seems to be a much more possible option, Snowden said. Former employee of the U.S. National Security Agency Edward Snowden is concerned about hype around unique tokens, also known by the acronym NFT. In his opinion, some individuals or companies can use the growth of the NFT market only for their own enrichment, diverting the focus of market development from innovation. Snowden stated this during the Blockdown the Data online conference. We tell you about the celebrity's position in more detail. Note that Edward often mentions the topic of cryptocurrencies. In particular, at the end of October this year, he criticized a project called WorldCoin. We are talking about the idea of the founder of the Y Combinator Foundation, Sam Altman, who promised everyone to charge a certain amount of new cryptocurrency in exchange for a scan of their eye. Then Snowden directly advised people not to get involved with this project and not to sell data about their body parts. At the same time, Edward also managed to join the NFT trend and sell his own token called Stay Free. As a result, it was purchased for 2,224 Ether, that is, the equivalent of $8.8 million. According to the CryptoArt platform, this made NFT the third in the entire niche in terms of the largest amount of sale among artwork. The first 3 places in the overall ranking look like this. However, in the end, Snowden became concerned about what was happening in the world of decentralized assets. Here are the details. Some aspects of the development of the concept of metaverses, where NFTs are actively used, look terrible, disgusting and threatening for the entire market. In other words, someone is interested in creating value where it cannot be, Edward believes. Here is a quote from Snowden on this issue, published by Cointelegraph. We have people who are trying to bring an artificial sense of scarcity into the post-scarcity sphere. I think that the community should try very hard to divert the arc of development from the introduction of artificial and unnecessary demand entirely in the interests of a certain class of investors. That is, Edward hints that some of the things sold in the virtual world are not worth their money. Moreover, they are mistakenly valued highly only because of the limited availability that the developers have worked on. Accordingly, most investors should allegedly bypass such applications by the side. I believe that Snowden may be right, but the current stage is a normal phase of the development of new technology, which still includes cryptocurrencies and NFT. Therefore, blaming them for the lack of value is like hating Bitcoin for the volatility of its price. Another participant of the conference, Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, did not seem to agree with Snowden's statements regarding NFT. He mentioned that unique tokens have opened up a lot of opportunities for content creators who can profitably monetize their activities. However, Snowden objected that NFT buyers are not buying the final product, but something virtual in the metaverses, the development of which is based only on promises. I have no problem with the fact that, for example, game developers restrict access to their product in the same way as they did decades ago. I see NFT as a more flexible way to restrict access to my content. The sale of virtual plots of land in the metaverse has already become a noticeable trend in the industry, and there is something disturbing about this. Now even virtual space becomes property, inaccessible to most people. At the same time, given the high prices for most NFTs, the development of this trend really brings the most profit to rich investors. Although we assume that over time the sphere will still become more democratic. As the market conditions have resonated with bears over the past 24 hours, altcoins such as XRP, Matic and Terra have seen losses on their daily charts. While XRP bounced off its bullish trend line, Matic and Luna struggled to hold their immediate supports. XRP. When XRP saw a break down the channel on December 16th, the bears quickly provoked a pullback. But the 20 EMA provided the same strong support as ALT, seeing a pair of green candles from the 80 cents mark. For more than a week, the bulls tried to break through the 84 cents mark after repeated testing. XRP has been in a downtrend since November 10th, after it has since declined by almost 39.14%. Thus, it has become difficult for bulls to find momentum that changes the trend. However, the RSI seemed encouraging to them as it swayed above half the line. But the volume oscillator showed that the recent bullish move was on rather declining volumes. At the time of printing, XRP was trading at $0.8255. Although the DMI lines closed in a bullish intersection, the ADX showed an exceptionally weak directional trend. The live XRP price today is 80 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.34 billion. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 2.26% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.